everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm here at Disney's Riviera Resort here in Walt Disney World. I thought I'd bring you along. I'm gonna go get some lunch over at the quick service here, and then later on we're gonna go on a Skyliner and go to Epcot and have a fun day. So I now got my food here at the quick service. I got the kids cheese pizza. The fries are a little fancier here. They have herb and romaine on it, which is really nice. I definitely just going to Primal Patio for quick service if you are here at the Riviera Resort. I really like it a lot. I'll come back here probably make another video. Now that we've had some lunch here at the Riviera Resort, I think it's time to go and head over to Epcot and have a fun day over there. I love the Skyliners here at Walt Disney World. I think it's such a fun ride, and it can be thrilling to some people, and it's actually thrilling for me as well, so it's a fun ride. We have now made it into Epcot. I thought I'd walk around and just kind of walk around a little showcase. I have now made my way all around the World Showcase. I love the World Showcase here at Epcot. It's so cool and so really themed and detailed. Actually today I'm filming this video. It is Earth Day, April 22nd, and it's also the day of Animal Kingdom's anniversary. It's the 26th anniversary of Animal Kingdom, so I thought, why not park up to Animal Kingdom? So let's go hop on a bus and go to Animal Kingdom. Last year was Disney's Animal Kingdom's 25th anniversary, and I actually was there for that day, and it was such a fun day. The atmosphere was so fun. Everyone looked so excited. It was such a cool day. I had a lot of great memories from that day. It was so much fun, and pretty soon actually on May 1st will be Hollywood Studios' 35th anniversary. I definitely just going. It's so much fun. All the big Disney fans like I am, we get all excited about it. They'll have special merchandise, and it's just such a fun atmosphere and experience. So if you are a big Disney fan and you're gonna be here on May 1st, I definitely just going to Hollywood Studios because it'll be a lot of fun. And we have now made to Animal Kingdom.
I don't think I got my hand there in time.
Well, everyone, I think it's gonna be it for today's video. I walked around Animal Kingdom and saw some of the animals, saw the anteater, saw some of the monkeys, and they're so cute. I love seeing the animals here at Animal Kingdom. They're so cute, just walking around doing their own little thing. But I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!